38 activity book, 38 activity book. Look, 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 we're 38 activity book. Answer the questions. Who is having a costume party and why? Who is having a costume party and why? If you need to reread this story, it's on page 38 of the pupil's book or the student's book. All right, we're talking about the costume party. Okay, so who is having a costume party and why? The answer is Emily is having a costume party because it's her birthday. How do we know? 我们怎么知道? Because it says it's Emily's birthday and there's a costume party on Saturday. Okay? So stop the video, do it yourself, then come back and I'll help you with the rest of the answers. Question number 2. What costume does Matt want? Matt really wants a Shema costume. Well, let's go see. Matt is thinking about his costume. Mom, I want to be a superhero. What costume does he want? A superhero. So Matt really wants a superhero costume. Why does his mother think a pirate costume is a good idea? Okay, Matt can't be a superhero because his friend Harry is being a superhero. Oh man, Harry! Why does his mom think a pirate costume is a good idea? Because Matt can make a beard and he's got a pirate Shema. Let's go look. What about a pirate costume? His mom asks. You can make a short beard and a mustache with black paper and you've got a pirate hat. He's got a pirate hat. That's what it is. He's got a pirate hat. 4. What is Matt's costume in the end? The end of the story. The story to 最后部分. What is his costume? Well, as you can see, it is a pirate superhero clown. Pirate superhero superhero clown. Pirate superhero clown. He just went with all of them. He combined them all. Easy enough, isn't it? Let's go on to activity number 2 and complete the sentences. Fill in the blanks. Everyone needs a what for Emily's party? A costume for the party. No costume, no going to the party. Number 2. Harry has a Shema costume for the party, but he can't fly. All right, Harry can't fly. Well, I can't fly either. Harry. It's the day of the party. Emily is... Harry's got what costume? Harry, oh yeah, Harry wants to be a superhero, but he can't fly. Boink. Matt can make a beard and a mustache. He has a Shema hat. He has a funny hat, pirate hat, or a pop hat. Funny and pirate could be. So I'm going to write an F and a P here. We don't know if it's a funny hat or a pirate hat. So let's move on first. Emily sings because she is a pop star. pop is like music. Everyone laughs at Matt's costume because he looks very pirate. No, because he looks very funny. Okay, now we know that this one is not funny. This one is pirate. Okay. Boop, boop-a-doop, boop, boop, boop. Ask your friends for ideas, then draw your costume for Emily's party in your notebook. Yeah, do that. Draw a costume for Emily's party and send it to our group. I want to see a funny drawing. I want to see a good drawing. You can color it too. Look, read, and write. Okay, I'm looking, I'm reading. A party, a farmer, a superhero, a sheep, a hat, and a mustache bro. Now let's write. This person is in comics and on TV and films. Who is in comics and on TV and in movies or films? A stupid hero. Number 2, people wear this on their heads. A sheep. I often wear a sheep on my head. Just kidding. I wear a hat. I wear a hat on my head. 3, you have this when it's your birthday. A sheep, of course. Happy Sheep Day to you. Happy Sheep Day to you. Happy Sheep Day to AJ. And here is your sheep. Just kidding. It's a party. Doy. This person keeps animals or grows vegetables, cereals, or fruit. A farmer. A farmer. This animal has a thick white curly coat. Okay, thick white curly coat or fur. Fur coat. Coat 的意思是外套，但是 coat 的意思也是一个动物的 fur 毛。This is a sheep. Nice. On to the next page. Tell the story. Mary and Zoe are pop stars. I want to actually listen to this.
Tell the story.
Look at these pictures. They show a story. It's called Mary and Zoe Are Pop Stars. Look at the pictures first. Look at the first one. Mary and her sister Zoe are watching TV. The singer on the TV is dancing and singing. Mum is cooking in the kitchen. Now you tell the story.
Okay. You tell me the story in the group. Okay, this will be your homework. Tell me the story of Mary and Zoe Are Pop Stars. I'll give you an example. Okay? 如果我是你，我会这样说。Mary and Zoe are sisters. They live in a house. They have a mom. Mary and Zoe like watching TV. They are watching a pop star. The pop star is singing. Mary and Zoe want to be a pop star too. Mary has a brush. She is singing. Zoe has nothing. She wants to sing too. She can see a banana. Zoe takes a banana. Mary is dancing. Mom is looking at the banana. Mommy is angry. Zoe and Mary are singing. They are pop stars. Mom is angry. Alright. 你不一定要说跟我的一样，你可以自己想去要说什么, okay? And tell me in the group. Tell me the story. For now, guys, I think you know what time it is. It's game time. Let's get a game going. All right, game time. So, today's characters are the dancing AJ boy and the really long legs tall dog. Okay, let's get down to business. You guys gotta go to your starting positions. Make you smaller. Go to the start. Who should go first? Dancing AJ or the dancing dog? Let's go AJ. AJ goes first. Rolling the dice, and 1. Come on, man. 1? You gotta be kidding me. All right. Describe this person. Okay. So whenever you land on one, you gotta describe the person. This is a short, fat woman with gray, curly hair, and she has got a farmer's pitchfork. She is wearing green boots, green shirt, green everything. All right, that was my description. Now, it's the dog's turn. Roll those dice, doggy. 4. That's a solid roll. Oops. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. How would you describe this person? I would say this is a cook. She is tall. She has a cook's hat. She is wearing a white cook's shirt. And she has got a pot or a pan. Nice. AJ's turn. Ready? AJ, go. AJ, go. 2. I got 1 and then 2. What's next? 3. Okay, let's describe this person. She looks like a film star because she has a trophy. She has long black hair. She is so beautiful. Next. 3, okay. 3 for the doggy. 1, 2, 3. This person is a dentist. That's a tooth doctor. He is tall and his hair is blonde. That means yellow. He has a dentist's drill. Zzz, ah! AJ's turn. 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you serious? What's next? 4? 1, 2, 3. All right. This is an ugly pirate woman. She has 1 eye. Yikes. She has curly blonde hair. Roll it, doggy. 4. Bun Boo Bee Boar. Hey, this farmer is just like this farmer, but skinny. This is a tall, blonde, skinny farmer, or thin farmer, with green clothes and brown pants. He's got a pitchfork, too. AJ's turn. If I get a 4, I'm going to be like, what in the world? Are you serious? I got 1, then I got 2, then I got 3, then I got 4? What's next? 5? If I get 5, that's just gonna be weird. Like straight up weird, dog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clowny boy. This clown has red hair or fair hair. His hair is curly. He has got a bow tie. That's this thing. And he is wearing clown makeup with a red nose. Honk, honk, honk. Okay, dog's turn. 5. Okay, that's kind of weird. Doggy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This clown is fat. This clown is short. This clown has a purple shirt. He has a bow tie. He has hair. His hair is curly and green. AJ, if you get a 5, I'm going to blow my top. Okay, all right. Well, the coincidence streak has ended. That's a little bit disappointing, but also predictable. This is a teacher. She has gray hair. Her hair is curly and so long. She's got books and a whiteboard too. And she's got 2 black shoes. Doggy's turn. What will it be? Let's roll the dice and we will see. Another 5 makes me feel alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. This is a pirate, but just the head. His beard looks like he just got out of bed. He's got 1 eye and a big hat too. He has only got 1 tooth. It didn't rhyme. AJ. 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the ugliest pirate I've seen. She is a girl, but she has a beard, and 1 tooth, and 1 eye too. This girl really needs to brush her tooth. She's got straight, long black hair as well, and an earring. Do. 1 do. This is a pop star with yellow hair. He's got brown skin and a star. On his shirt, he loves to sing. I also don't know what's this thing. Actually, I do. It's a microphone. AJ got 3. You will see. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. This is a dentist. She's a girl. She's got short, fair or red hair. She's wearing green from head to toe. Now let's see what the dog bro gets. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very last square. He's almost there. His legs are moving towards the very last square. He has got onto the square of the cook with a hat. Doggy, no, don't poo-poo on the cook. Oh, AJ's turn. AJ got a 5. I don't think anybody's got a 6 yet. What is she? She's a nurse. She has like a tall pole with a bag of water on it. She's wearing red clothes. She's got a clipboard in her arm, and her hair is long and straight and blonde. Okay, I think Doggy's gonna win. Doggy do. Got a 2. Yay, I win. Whee! Oh no, AJ, you lose. Wah! Ah, Doggy is stepping on AJ, and AJ's like, no, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna go. See you guys.